Hakasngi hakapakalaran kajing set aplang ki CRPF bat ki suba kai klau kuki kabala jah hakasnang jaribam hapo jala Manipur ka khatwai tarik mata ubnai nakaliang jong ki pulit ke le thuru pakaladan kajing thangem yaki arngot ki temen bat kamjuru kajing rabor yaki nrungut ki brio ki pakanthop yaki laingot ki kentai bat laingot ki khenna bat napreng ki ni ki basara bor kata ki nrungut idan ru ikhlung ibrang pramnai pulit kala pulang kajang thuat kabajur ban lap ikini ki rungun amar umtem tara yaki shinu lagi la sha penyap ni kira sha don nani kirang don hakti jo kinong ra bor yakan ile thu do IGP jeng ke jala Manipur hakajakan pikra patai khabor menin kasngi we thu yani ke jengja ka jeng sha set yap jo ki spongon kibara suba bagi ki kai khlau ku ki kat ba ki cookie zo par ki om bagi ki volunteers ki biada yakishna ki tha
around in the afternoon around 2:30 to 3, there was an attack by armed miscreants at this Boropekra police station and also at the CRPF camp just located very nearby there at Jalurator. Yes. So in that the armed militants, they were using RPGs and sophisticated automatic weapons such as AK and INSAS and SLRs. And the CRP also, after they were attacked, one of them got injured and they were the person was evacuated to Assam for treatment. The CRP also retaliated to the attack. And after that, the firing stops after about 45 minutes. We found that there were a lot of casualties. About 10 militants were found dead. 2 old persons, senior persons, were found burned to death. And 3 women and 3 children, minors, were found missing. So this is the situation that happened yesterday. And now the police is trying to trace those 3 missing women and 3 minor children. That is the situation. And the thing is that it is a very unfortunate situation, thing that happened yesterday. Our armed forces, we try to always caution them to restrict their firing.